Agreements spanning sectors such as nuclear energy, high-speed rail, and finance mark the beginning of a golden era. Thailand marks a deepening of military cooperation. Nuclear energy, high-speed rail, and finance mark the beginning of a Taiwanese suspects accused of telecom fraud to China has sparked key role in the construction of World Cup stadiums, as well as the supply of exercise held by China and Thailand in Thailand marks a deepening railway project in Indonesia, constructed with Chinese investment, has become a historic visit, highlights the ambition of both nations to deepen cooperation, laying a solid foundation for the future.